Hi guys, it's me again. I'm just updating you about the steps I've taken now to fix the car, as it was idling really badly and it had no power at acceleration. So right now I've just purchased a throttle sensor, position sensor, this one here. I'm suspecting maybe this is the one that caused the idling and the loss of power at acceleration. So we'll check right now. I'll start the car and check it. And man, I've purchased a lot of things now. I've purchased the fuel pump. I've purchased the plugs, spark plugs. I've purchased the map sensor here. There's the map sensor. It's new. And yeah, right now I've purchased the throttle sensor. So we'll check. We'll see what happens. If it still continues, we'll continue to hustle. We'll soldier on. We will find a solution. And let me just start the car and see. The shaking is not as bad as it was, but I can hear by the sound from the exhaust that the power is still not there. Yeah, but it's still like the problem still persists, so we'll see. We'll keep you on the loop.